Hello my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift ng energies or magkabaliktad. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. So let's see. The Nine of Wands, Seven of Swords, Four of Cups, the Knight of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Ace of Wands, Queen of Swords, and the Three of Pentacles. Bottom card natin, Four of Swords. So, may mga nag-heal dito, healing from the past experiences, and it's about a new beginning na paparating for you. No, lalo na at ang Pluto natin ay nag-transit na into Aquarius. So, maaring isa ka sa mga cardinal signs na still in the healing process ngayon. And it's a new beginning for you. Magandang opportunity ito para simulan yung mga dapat mong simulan. So, tingnan natin. Lalo na sa work, maraming mga magi-start ngayon sa kanilang mga bagong ventures, bagong trabaho. Marami kayong mga na-experience na rejections in the past, lalo na sa inyong trabaho at sa mga love life na rin. Marami mga end of relationship in the past years. Pero itong taon na ito ay simula na for you para, kumbaga, it's your time to shine. So, ayan o. Yung mga nag-heal from the past experiences na hindi maganda. So, ito yung magandang simula for you. Tarot cards, telephone, lighthouse, knife, and closed book. So, yung bottom natin dito is playing card. So, parang pakiramdam mo kasi yung mga nangyari in the past few years, parang feeling mo pinaglaruan ka ng tadhana, hindi mo nakuha yung mga goals mo, yung mga gusto mo sa buhay. Pero this time magugulat ka. Marami din mga nanloko sa iyo eh. Kaya ikaw parang guarded and wounded ka. And this year, matatanggap mo itong good news na ito, yung telephone call na hinihintay mo. Maring it's a yes na for you kasi ang dami mong pinagdaan ng rejections. So, tingnan natin. After ng maraming rejections na pinagdaanan mo, this time, it's a yes. Ayan o, kailangan mo na mag-heal from the past experiences na hindi maganda. I left and I saw you with someone, lalo na kung iniwan ka ng iyong partner in the past few years. I replay our conversations over and over. I'm starting to understand our connection. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. I hope that you can forgive me one day. So, itong taong ito, hihingi siya ng kapatawaran sa'yo sa mga nagawa niya. Lalo na kung iniwan ka ng partner mo. I feel you even though we are apart. Can't stop thinking about you. I regret lying to you. So, may mga pagsisisi sa kanyang part na nasaktan ka niya with his knife. So, may mga words, masasakit na no words na nasabi and pinagmukha ka niyang parang yung iba sa inyo parang pinagmukha niya na walang alam dun sa mga nangyayari pero aware kayo na may nangyayaring kakaiba behind the scenes or tinatago niya itong mga kalokohan niya. Tingnan natin message ng Archangels. Moon Cycles by Archangel Haniel. Notice how the moon affects your energy and manifestations. Capitalize upon these cycles. So, itong mga manifestations mo, matutupad na ngayon. Kumbaga dati, mga manifestations mo parang walang nangyayari, puro bluff, puro rejections. Pero this time, it's your time. So, ito na yung new beginning na matagal mong hinihintay. Tingnan natin tarot messages, oracle cards. I hate my pride and ego. You excite me. You complete me. Strong and independent. And for some of you, someone new is coming in. It hurts so badly. Guarded and wounded. You're my rest and my healer. So itong taong paparating sa'yo, maring siya yung very healing ang kanyang aura. So maring siya na yung mag-heal ng iyong broken heart. Ayan, yung iniinda mo. I love your humor. So pasasayahin ka nitong taong to. Ayan, maganda ang kanyang very funny, ganon. And can we start again? And for some of you, may mga past na hihingi ng second chance, pero it's up to you kasi dalawa itong new beginning na paparating sa'yo. No, maaaring two persons as well. Isang pabalik, isang new person. So, it's up to you kung ano na yung magiging decision mo dito. Kuha tayo ng initials. U. F. O. Wow, UFO. May UFO. Letter E. V. B. S. Q. And P ang bottom card. So, tingnan natin. Sa blue card, past life lover and isang past life lover and isang no strings attached. So, kailangan mo mamili sa dalawang ito kung si past life lover ba or yung isang no strings attached. So, ikaw lang makakaalam nito kasi with these two pentacles natin, dalawang new beginnings ito. Usually, dalawang tao na maaaring dumating sa buhay mo, kailangan mo mamili sa kanila. Yung isa dito, no strings attached, and yung isa is maring past life lover mo na. And we also have regret. So, galingan mo na lang ang pagpili para hindi ka magsisi, ha? Para hindi ka magkaroon ng regret in the future. Okay, tingnan natin. General signs and messages. Visayas. Animal lover. Sword, air sign. Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Cute and chubby. Fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. And another fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. City, flower form. Divine masculine. Karmic. So, isa sa kanila karmic mo eh. Kaya, ayan, pagbutihan mo lang. Para hindi ka na magkamali. Vulnerable. December. Neighbor. Very serious. August. Long distance. Smart. Gorgeous. Nature lover. Number 4. Taurus. Private person. Overthinker. May other country, earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, selfie-holic, skin tag, and very soon. Ayan. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.